What's up, sweeties? It's TL and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Gotta rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man and don't you hear it major song, and I like that.
Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree Valentine's Day DIY project. And today I'm doing the ring pop. So listen, boom. I went to my local Dollar Tree store, and for some time now, I don't know if I bought them all, but they don't have the styrofoam wreath at all. They only had the 3D one and the wire one. I mean, the 3D one and like the honey child, the other one, okay? Shoot. So I went ahead and I walked around the store thinking like, what the heck can I use? I tried to search for something I can use in place of a wreath. And this is what I came up with. The racetracks, which I wasted my money because my son has a whole stack of them sitting right there in the playroom staring at me. So, yeah, we're going to use the racetracks. And I'm going to show y'all how I do it. So, first thing I need y'all to do is say, hey, T in the comment section. Say hello. Like Medea, hello. And hallelujah. Did y'all like the video yet? Because I be getting a nice amount of views on these DIYs, but the likes ain't matching the views. The views ain't matching the likes. And I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Become a sweetie, subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified when I do post videos. My watch hours are going up, so y'all showing some love. Y'all showing some big love. So let me tell y'all what I got here. I've seen so many of these projects, and like I said in my community post, I'm going to put my own twist to it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put my own twist to it. I'm already putting a twist to it using Hot Wheels as my, you know, my wreath. But I got me some I got me some rose petals that I've been had. Mind your business. Of course, the Hot Wheels. I got the zip ties that I got from Dollar Tree that I actually use in another DIY project. Speaking of which, go ahead and run my DIY playlist. Run all my playlists. Just let it play. Before you go to sleep, put on one of my playlists and just let them go, honey. Let them play, let them play, let them play. When you wake up in the morning, let it play again while you're getting ready. Play a different list. Share these videos, honey. It'll help me get monetized on YouTube. Okay, so I kind of think that y'all can maybe see where I'm going with this. I got this super soft microfiber cloth. So you can find this in the auto section. Zip ties in the auto section right next to that. Toy section. These rose petals you can find in the, I think, like the wedding section. This is where the ribbons are. I think this is so cute. With the ribbons and bows. Put my own twist to it, y'all. I got some more, gosh, not the candlesticks, child. What are these things called? The glue sticks. Hot glue gun. I'm going to get me a hot glue stick in there. Get things ready to gizzo. Okay. So this one's going to be for my daughter. I got some lip pops. So aren't these super duper cute? Look at them lip pops. Oh, so cute. Maybe I should make a lip pop next. What y'all think? What y'all think? And if y'all want to see me do any, like if you have a DIY in mind that you want to see me do, leave it in the comment section so I know. I have these little cute bath bombs. And of course, listen, the only reason why I'm using this hot glue gun is because my local store for some reason don't have the hot glue guns anymore. I guess because there was a recall on them a while back. But when I'm doing a project, a DIY project, a Dollar Tree DIY project, you're not going to see me use any other item that's not from Dollar Tree. Because if it's a Dollar Tree project, use the Dollar Tree items. Like I said, the only reason I'm using this hot glue gun from Target is because my location don't have hot glue guns. So, but before, and I still got mine, but it's just like the trigger don't work. So I will have to like push the hot glue sticks to make it come out. And honey, that's a little too ghetto for me. I'm a ghetto. I like ghetto, but that's a little too ghetto. Anyways, I got her some nails. She loves her nails. Fast gel nail polish. Cute. The super duper cute little stuffed animal. It says be mine. Look how cute that is. Okay. The sponge. Super cute. I got her this little hair clip. Super cute. And y'all's probably like, where is the candy at? The candy is the lip pops, honey. Okay. These kids need to come back with some candy. It's churning. These glass pearls. I may or may not use these. I'm not sure. 2 bowls. I know people use like the platters. I went ahead and got these dinner plates with the silver going around them. So I'm going to use one of those, okay? So I want my daughter to have a rock on her finger, okay? We're going to make this into a ring rock pop. All right, sweetie. So the idea I have for these Hot Wheels tracks is to kind of just zip tie them together and make them go round. But I'm trying to think here because I don't want this to be too big. So let me see. I think that's cool. Actually, I want it smaller than that. Maybe I just need one. Hell no. Okay. Let's get a zip tie. I'm not going to think about it too much, y'all. I'm just going to start going in. Just pay attention. Follow along. Now, do I want it to shut this way or the other way? I'm going to want it to shut like that. Okay. Just follow along, y'all. Watch me work. A lot of times, I literally come up with this stuff inside the store. Like once I have to be at the store by myself, no husband, no kids, and I gotta be in the store around all this stuff, and then I tap into my creative space. I mean, a lot of times at home too, yeah.
All that I can think of is we should get married. We should get married.
That's way too big.
Back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand.
So I'm not worried about that part sticking up because TL's gonna hide it, babe. All right. Let's see how big this cloth is. Let's hope it's enough to cover this. So if it's not enough, what Smokey's mom say on Friday? Make it enough. We won't make it enough. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. So I'm thinking, let's do that. Do that. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue the inside of the racetrack. And I'm gonna just go down and hot glue the whole side. Then I'll cut it and then wrap it over the rest of the track.
Stop making a big deal out of the little things, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine.
All I'm really asking for is you.
You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine.
As long as you know who you belong to.
All right, so y'all see it's sticking on there. Somebody commented on one of my videos and said, girl, change your smoke alarm battery. Girl, I still ain't did it yet. I probably won't do it no time soon. Shoot, I'm used to hearing it now. I know y'all's not, but I am. Just like the dang on fish tank, I'm just used to all these little noises. And I got kids, so there'd be toys on and stuff. Was that just it? I might be hearing things. Told you I'm used to it. If I hear it, that'll remind me again to change it. And at that point, I still probably won't change it. Thank you though, girl. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to remember. Okay, so it's stuck on there and we're gonna cut it.
feel what I feel. Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror.
Trust the process, y'all. Trust it, trust it. All right. Let's go around this side. Only thing with this, let's just wrap it. How about that? Let's just wrap it. Why not? Hold on, let's follow along, hold on. We're gonna tuck and wrap. So I'm just tucking one side and I'm gonna pull the other side over it, and then we'll hot glue. Save some time. Save some time.
Understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began.
Got to use what you got to get what you want. Comment down below if you know that movie. What's the name of that movie? You got to use what you got to get what you want. Ooh, y'all know that movie. Y'all might not know that movie. Eddie, make the money. Don't let it make you. What movie is that? Comment down below if you know. Comment the name of the movie. Who went to Junior's bachelor party? Ooh, baby. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my plate out so we can glue that on. Trust the process, trust the process. All right, so our plate's stuck on there. Now we're gonna get our bowls and we're gonna glue that first bowl on there, on top of the plate. Apply pressure. Okay, and there it is so far. All right, sweetie, so before I glue my other bowl on, I took some extra garland that I had, and I'm gonna add it to my ring because I think that that'll make it pop a little more. So I'm gonna add it to the outside of my ring and see how I like it. Sometimes I'll just reach in that bin and see if I like something to add onto my project, and that's what I'll do. That's why it's important for y'all to watch the whole video, because at the beginning of the video, I'll tell you what you need for the project, but you never know if I'm gonna add something on to the project. Rose petals and sprinkle them inside my bowl. All right, I'm gonna take my Kiss Pops out the bag. These are so cute. I don't know if you can see them or not. It's kind of hard to see. I'm gonna take those out the bag, bath bombs out the box. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and start to stuff my ring rock pop. Okay, so stuffed animal, our people sponge. We're gonna put our shower gel there, put our bath bomb hearts. Oh, these smell really good. Wow. Get our nails, get our Kiss Pops, put those in, and our clip, and our nail polish. I'm gonna put nail polish right here. We're not done yet. Hold on. I'm actually just going to put a little glue on the back of mine. Alright, sweetie, so this is still not given for me, so I went ahead in my creative bin and got me some more garland because this ain't looking the way I want it to. And I feel like I need to add some garland to it to kind of like match the top. So I went ahead and got this silver garland, and I'm going to go ahead and glue it around my ring.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be.
So I went ahead around my entire racetrack, so I'm going to turn to the back.
In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else but you. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up.
Alright, sweetie, so I feel like if I add any more to this, it's going to be overkill. But I do like it. I'm going to do another one, I think. Don't take that and run with it. But I think I might do another one. More of a plain one. It's cute, though. The ring rock pop. It's popping, ain't it? So it might not be my next DIY project, but I do want to make another one. A different one. Something completely opposite of this one. But let me know what you think in the comment section. If you plan to try this project, please send me your pictures. Tag me in your pictures on one of my social media platforms. My social media names are at the beginning and end of this video. Also in the description box down below. But yeah, here's my ring rock pop. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Of course, like I said, leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you enjoy the content. Become a sweetie. Click the bell so you're notified each and every time I do post a video. And I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.